Thank you, Stefan. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to present the latest version of our AI sector, FullStack AI. AI is transforming everything. But without sovereignty, AI becomes a dependency. FullStack AI gives you full control. Your data, your infrastructure, your models. FullStack AI is designed as a complete AI factory, structured from the ground up to give you control at every level. We shaped it as 4 tightly integrated layers, each with a clear purpose. From the infrastructure through intelligent models to user-facing applications used every day. Let's start with the foundations. Everything starts with a solid base. The first layer of our FullStack AI is built for one thing: sovereign performance. We rely on our proven partnerships with Dell and NVIDIA, integrating Hopper and Blackwell architectures. True sovereignty means you keep control on your data. Whether it's our secure IG1 hosting, your public cloud tenant, AI shouldn't force you to choose where it runs. With FullStack AI by IG1, one platform deploys everywhere, on-prem, private cloud, public cloud, or hybrid. Same stack, same performance, same security. Your data, your infrastructure, your rules. This is universal AI deployment. Our proprietary AI operating system automates the complexity, secures the perimeter, and ensures you are up and running in hours, not months. Infrastructure is the body. Let's turn it into specialized intelligence. FullStack AI is compatible with the entire Hugging Face ecosystem. FullStack AI comes ready out of the box with all core use cases pre-enabled: conversational chat, developer copilot, vision, image generation, text-to-speech, and speech-to-text, advanced reasoning, and many more. All capabilities scale automatically based on your GPU resources. And most importantly, your data never leaves your environment. No external training, no third-party reuse, no hidden data exposure. Your models, your infrastructure, your intelligence. To serve this intelligence, you need a command center. FullStack AI includes a unified operational layer to manage models, workloads, and access controls. Develop your own intelligence using the integrated lab to train, fine-tune, and evaluate models on your data within your borders. Full control means measurement. Our integrated metrology continuously tracks model performance and carbon footprint in real time. This is where AI becomes reliable, repeatable, and scalable. Secure and powerful AI only matters if people can use it. Thanks to OpenAI-compatible APIs, your existing applications connect instantly. No code rewrite, no frictions. On top of the API, FullStack AI comes with an ecosystem of ready-to-use applications. An internal AI chat, accessible to everyone. A secure AI assistant integrated into messaging tools like Slack. And a curated AI app store, enabling fast adoption across all departments. This is where AI moves from capability to real usages. Using your AI models without data sharing to external AI providers. This is not AI as a service. This is AI you own, FullStack AI. To walk you through our budget approach, I'd like to hand over to Cedric, our CRO.
Thank you, JP. Hello, everyone. On public clouds, the advertised price per token is misleading. What you see is only the visible tip of the iceberg. Beneath the surface lies the real cost: fragmented services, layered billing, and complexity that no one can reliably forecast. RAG loops are one example. Retries, agents, and long context windows quietly multiply requests without any clear visibility. Add parallel calls, background tasks, and orchestration layers. Usage grows automatically, while costs drift completely out of control. Then come model upgrades. Each jump to newer generations like GPT-5 dramatically increases token prices overnight. Storage, networking, and data movement fees pile on top. The final bill becomes disconnected from real business value. FullStack AI takes a radically different approach, a fixed, flat rate, with one clear and predictable monthly cost. No meters running. You pay for GPU deployment capacity, not for every prompt, token, or hidden background process. From day one, you know your exact annual budget. No surprises, no overspending, no emergency budget reviews. Stop letting usage dictate your bill. Take back financial control and scale AI with confidence using FullStack AI. With FullStack AI, we take a fundamentally different approach designed to bring structure, discipline, and predictability to AI costs. We implement guardrail budgets and real-time alerts, giving teams immediate visibility and control before costs drift out of range. We optimize prompts and caching strategies to reduce unnecessary calls, lowering consumption while maintaining performance and response quality. Before anything reaches production, we perform load testing in sandbox environments to validate performance, scale, and budget behavior. And we rely on commitment-based contracts and on-prem licenses, turning AI into a predictable investment, not an uncontrollable expense. To wrap this up, I'll hand it back to JP to conclude on what FullStack AI really represents.
Thank you, Cedric. FullStack AI is the result of 25 years managing mission-critical infrastructures, now applied to AI. It delivers the power of modern AI, combined with the security of a closed vault enterprises can truly trust, and the predictability organizations demand to deploy AI at scale, responsibly, sustainably, and without financial surprises. FullStack AI is not about using more AI. It's about using AI the right way. FullStack AI. Power under your control.